Today I'm going to show you two beautiful places that you could visit in Karnataka. Both of them happen to be beaches. The first beach that what you just saw is the Kudle beach that people go and watch and see it. It's right next to Om Beach. Okay, in Gokarna. Okay, you have quite a lot of beaches basically. So Kudle is on the beach, but you have to go to the hilltop, park the car or the vehicle. Then you have to walk downstairs and get down. I had gone there and then somehow I didn't like it because the drainage pipes were let out to the sea from there, so I didn't like it. But people definitely asked, show me the view. So for my remembrance also, I thought let me take some shots and do the drone shots as such. If you see this where you park and come, if you see the waves actually are rough and the pattern of the waves are different when it is going back. Okay, there is no sign of sand thing. I think the sea has changed its course of the flow of the flow itself is changed where it is eaten up all the sand is what I understand. What you see on the other side is the Om Beach. Do you see that? It's in the form of Om. Okay, that's the beach which I've taken you in the previous video. Have a look at that, and now I'm going to show you the Kudle beach. And what happens is, this is during editing that I'm telling you, because I already know what happens. From here, I actually go to find Paradise Beach, which is right next to this. But for that, you have to drive a bit, and then I get what do you say, muddy road thing, and then it is just one car which is going. That's my car, and there's no sign of any people moving around. After a kilometer and a half of driving, I panic and I come back. I didn't go to the beach at all. Probably it might be good. I don't know how it is going to be. If you go there, check it out. Because I went by car. That's the beach that I'm talking about. I went by car and I got scared that what if I get stuck and then I can't bring the car back because it was steep. So, but that's what happens. And from there the story begins. Okay, the story begins in such a way that it so happens in the previous day I was actually in a place called Aganashini viewpoint. That is 20 plus kilometers from Kumta. From there I could see the other side, Tadri Hill. If you actually come by boat and cross the river, which is not much of a distance, then from there is only 4 to 5 kilometers of Gokarna. But car can't go on it. This is the Aganashini river that I'm going to show you. Okay, let's drive. So you can't take the car. So I have to travel 50 kilometers and come. So I had taken a room 11 kilometers away from Om Beach. So I saw Om Beach, then I saw Kudle Beach, and then on the way back, then I remembered that this Tadri Hill is the one which connects between this one and Aganashini. And I wanted to see how this is going to be. Had I not come here, believe me, the beauty I would not have caught. That side Aganashini, if you look at it, the viewpoint is good. You can see the ocean, but you can't get into water because there is no sand or the beach of that kind. But here, there's a lot of provision for you to go by boats, explore and all this stuff here. But I don't know why people don't come here. I don't know. They go to other places. Om Beach, yes, but highly recommendable. But people mostly are in Gokarna main beach, which is like flooded with tourists. And it's kind of dirty. I don't know why people have to go there. You've got a lot of choice. Paradise Island, Paradise Beach, I didn't see it. There's Om Beach, which you can go. Then there's a Kudle Beach that you can go. And now I'm taking you here. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm actually going to show you, that is the Aganashini. You see that's the only distance that you have to travel by boat. Okay, just to cross it, but 50 kilometers by car you have to come. Okay, so the boat comes here. From here you can do what you want. Okay, so I'm going to show you this boat as such. What I realized was, I thought I'm done with this. I'm going to go back to the room. And here I noticed, actually when I turned back, I noticed the ocean and there is a beach. Mean to say, I can walk on it and get to the water. See, this is how the boat actually moves, and they will turn the boat around because the ramp is on that side. So the ramp should face the Aganashini viewpoint, so that they can unload the bikes and people and all this stuff. So this is how it is. It's not big enough for the car. Okay, so that's one thing that which is something that somebody has to do something about it. Okay, so when I get to the beach, you will not believe there was nobody there. Clean beach because no one comes there. Okay, so I'm taking you to that place now. Okay, that's the island. If you notice, if you can swim, you can swim. I don't know swimming. You know that I can drown in 3 feet of water itself. So when I'm coming here, I see that it is huge. Then if I cross if you on the right hand side, you see that hill. If I cross that hill, that's Gokarna. That's first you will get Paradise Beach, then you will get Om Beach, then you will get Kudle Beach, then you will get that main beach of Gokarna. That's how it is. Okay. So I thought let me walk a bit here. What happens is my excitement gets even more. I see 4-5 people. Okay, from Jharkhand, they've come for a job here, and they were playing in the water. I said that that your excitement, I want to catch it. I want to capture it in my camera. You will not believe that one guy participated and he says that after the first shot he says, no, I think I can do better, give it another shot, can I do it? He goes on, that excitement, that excitement what he had comes to me, and that excitement I'm passing on to you. It's just that I don't know who these people are, they don't know who I am, but finally we get to know each other, and participation works. God, it is a small world. Just go and enjoy. Just when I travel alone, but I like to make new friends, new people, meet new people, understand. So that's how it is. So I'm going to show you that. Go ahead and watch it. I don't know where I'm going to take you because right now it is pouring in Gokarna while I'm doing editing. So I'll see you in a new day. I don't know where, but I will take you. Stay tuned. And there are a lot of places you can visit. Go to my channel and see it, because if it's on Google, it should be on my channel. Even if it is not on Google, it will be on my channel. Shall we?
मेरे को वीडियो बनाना. वेट रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है कि हो रहा है? 1 मिनट
हो गया.
मस्त आना चाहिए. आप चुपचाप करते जाओ, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर
वीडियो
लेता हूं.
दिखाएगा तो
आप भी कर रहे हो.
वीडियो दिखाएगा.
हाँ दिखाएगा.
रेडी.
हाँ रेडी.
ये नहीं हुआ.
ये हुआ.
और एक बार.
ओके चलो. वेरी गुड. वही स्पिरिट चाहिए.
वही स्पीड
चाहिए. कम ऑन भाई, तू भी कर ले.
ये नहीं कर पाएगा.
नहीं कर पाएगा. रेडी. वाओ सुपर.
हो गया.
हाँ
और एक.
और करेगा.
ये दूसरा वाला.
और लैंड खड़ा हो जाना चाहिए, गिरना नहीं.
तो एक बार देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ
एक बार.
हाँ
हो गया.
हाँ
एक ही बार देंगे.
हाँ. वाओ सुपर.